What's up, you guys? It's your girl Janelle Renee, and I'm back with another video. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a video on how much money me and my sister made on Etsy in the past 4 months. Okay, so let's get right into the video. I don't be with small talk, so we're gonna get right into it. So as you can see, this is me and my sister's page, like our Etsy store. We sell rolling trays, we sell croc, like the charm for your crocs. We sell decorative coffee table books and a couple of other things. However, our biggest seller is our rolling trays. This is not something that me and my sister planned on selling. We kind of fell into it along with the croc charms. So I'm going to tell you and explain to you guys how much money we made, how we were able to make that amount of money in such a short period of time, and how you can do the same thing if you follow these steps. So as you can see, we made a total of 805 sales. And this is between now and last year, like around August. So I'm going to show you guys our payment account. As you can see, this is our store. And I have it set to all last year. As you can see, from January 2020 to December 2020. And we made a total of $21,000. Yes, $21,000. And as you can see, fees and taxes were damn near $6,000. So listing fees came to a total of $176, marketing $305, shipping, labels, boo, $4,000. I know, it's so crazy. And transaction fee, which is $1,000. This is a fee that Etsy charges. So if you go now, you can see all of the months and how much money we made. July was our first month, and I think we started like the last week of July, and we had like one sale. And then you come to August, that's when we kind of started getting to go. September is, we only sold for like the first week of September, and we were out of trays for that whole entire month, so we didn't sell anything for September. And then October is when we got a restock of all the trays, and we were able to start selling again. And then it was up from there. Yes, boo. So that is exactly how much money we made, and that's how much fees and taxes were taken out of the lump sum. So some tips I can give you guys on how to get sales and how to make your first sale is, I would say, your description. A description is very, very, very important. So this is our sorry, it's my phone. This is our description, and as you can see, it's very, very long. It's pretty much explaining, you know, everything about the tray, shipping, if you can put it in the washing machine, all of that different stuff. And also something that I recommend is this drop down. Did you read our description? Yes or no? Because people love to be trying to message you saying, oh, it's taking too long. Like, boo, I'm gonna direct you right to our description. 2 to 3 weeks. So yes, that's why your description is very, very important. Also, I don't know if you can hear my kids, I'm so sorry. So also your description plugs in different keywords like rolling tray. All those different things help people to find your listing. Also, it's all about the picture. Make sure you have a nice clear picture where it's visible for everyone to see everything. You know, very good lighting. Another thing that I will say is it's all about, I'm gonna go here, your tags. See, these are all the tags that we use, and tags are very important because that's what brings people to your listing. Tags along with the title. Make sure you make your title of your listing very, very clear. Like, you can put multiple, like, see how we have backwards rolling tray with gold leaves, rolling tray set, rolling tray. That is what's going to make people get drawn to your listing, because when they put rolling tray into the search, you know, you have rolling tray right here. They put rolling tray set, you have rolling tray into your thing. They put backwards rolling tray, boom, backwards rolling tray right there in the title. So make sure you have all of those in your title of your listing. Another thing I can say is you can also add a video. A video is always good to add, so you can do that. And also you can add a personalization. We have it off for this listing, but a couple of our other listings, we have a personalization tab, and I think people really like that, so they don't have to worry about emailing you or messaging you whatever their personalization is for that specific item. Also, what I found that worked for me and my sister is that we kind of put our all of our prices a little bit under everyone else's. Like, for example, you may have a rolling tray out there that's like in the 70s, 80s. So we put all of ours in the 60s and 50s, right up under everyone else's. So that way, you know, people are always going to go with the lower price, period. Like, people are always going to go with whatever is cheaper. So that is one good thing that I feel as well that can help you guys. So that's it for this video. Short and sweet, straight to the point. If you guys have any more if you have any questions, or you like me to do videos on anything else, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.